What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and I'd greatly appreciate it. Today's video, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet but to the point, and I'm really excited about today's video because in a couple days here we're going to be taking our C5 Corvette to a car show. So we are inside our garage here with our most prized possession here, our 01 Dodge Ram and our 04 C5 Commemorative Edition Z06 Corvette. But first, before we get into the information of the car show, I got to shout out my father-in-law. He made me this sign here with our C5 Corvette on it. Didn't know he was doing it, so it was an awesome surprise and Father's Day gift that he did for me. He made me another one as well at the back wall here. Made it this one with darker wood, same image, but just on darker wood. So you guys can see that right there. So left that one back there. Didn't know exactly where I wanted to put that one, but I like it there too. But I definitely had to put this one, the lighter colored wood one, right here. I think it looks awesome on our wall here that we got going with the Corvette stuff. So this is going to be coming off the wall, coming to the car show with us. Our booklet, original booklet, is going to be coming off the wall with us and sitting inside the windshield there. Don't know what I'm going to be wearing. I checked the weather yesterday and it said it was going to rain just a little bit and maybe a little cool, so I might have the hoodie on, but I checked it actually a couple minutes ago and it said it was supposed to be sunny and 75 now, so I might be in a Corvette t-shirt, black, or my light blue C5 Corvette shirt, so I don't know yet what I'm going to be wearing. So all right, to the rest of the video here. Okay, so car show, very excited. We go to this car show every single year. It's an annual car show for us. It is the Block a Chip Open House Car Show. Now, they have this car show every single year. We always go to it with our C5 Corvette. It's an awesome time. Spectator parking is across the street. They will have food there as well. So if any of you guys are not busy on Saturday, this coming Saturday, June 27th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'll leave that for you guys right here, that information and their address. We would love to see you guys there. And again, if you do come, make sure you give the owner, Albert, a shout out and make sure you say thank you for putting on the car show for us. But speaking of Albert, Albert is the owner of Block a Chip. He's been doing this and started this business, Block a Chip, for 23 years now with his father. He made a nice Facebook post about his father who has passed away, but with his father, I'll put that for you guys right here to visually see and read what he said about his dad and himself starting what is now Block a Chip over 23 years ago. So that was a nice quick read right there, and kind of put me in my feels a little bit of some memories and things that I've done with my father. So great to see that, and great to see that Albert is still putting on these car shows, still doing the thing with the Block a Chip. And for us, we've gotten work on our 2019 Silverado and our C5 Corvette from Block a Chip with PPF. Again, they, in my personal opinion, are the #1 PPF installer in the world, but they do have awards for being the #1 PPF installer in Ohio. So they put on the PPF for the Corvette. They also did the stripes as well and ceramic coated our rims. So we've gotten a good amount of work done by Block a Chip, and some great work, I will say that as well, some great work. Some trustworthy guys and some guys that know what they're doing and know what they're talking about. They got a couple new guys in there because I know they were hiring a couple months ago or maybe a year ago now. So there are a couple new faces in their shop, but obviously Albert remains there. He's the owner. But now let's move on to some products. So tomorrow's video, I'm going to be making a video for you guys because we've got to clean the Corvette up and get it ready for the car show on Saturday. So let's get into the products I'm going to be using in tomorrow's video to clean it up and get it ready for the show. So I'm going to leave this video here for you guys. Click over to the next video of what we're going to be doing to get our C5 Corvette ready for the car show, open house car show at Block a Chip. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I greatly appreciate it. See you guys on the next one. Click over.